In this video, I will show you my top 10 tips and tricks picks for the Samsung Galaxy A23. This is variety stick. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and without any further ado, let's find out. Number 1. Do you know that you can hide apps or games in your Galaxy to have more privacy? Let me show you how you do this. For instance, I have Crash right there on my phone, so I can access to the game. Now if I want to hide this game in case if I want to give my phone to someone else and I don't want them to see my applications, here's what you need to do. Go to the settings and go to the home screen, and then you will see hide apps. Now you just have to pick the app that you want to hide. For instance, we're going to choose Crash Bandicoot. Once it's added on the hidden apps, hit done, and your phone no longer going to show this game or the application in your phone anymore. Now if you want to bring it back, just do the same thing. Go to the settings, go to home screen, and then go to hide apps and remove it from the hidden apps and hit done, and your game should go back to the phone as normal. Number 2. Galaxy A23 has a stunning display with 120 Hz refresh rate. Do you know that you can control the refresh rate so that way you can make the screen consume less power? Let me show you how you do this. Go to the settings and then go to display and go to motion smoothness, and you will see two options. Adaptive means the screen will go up to 120 Hz and that will use more power, or you can just go as a standard of 60 Hz if you don't need to go for a higher refresh rate, and that will save you a lot of power from the battery. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy A23 came with default with the regular classic Android keys for the navigation. We have recent, home, and back key. But do you know that you can upgrade this and go to the newer system that Android push? And let me show you how you do it. Go to the settings and then go to display and go to navigation bar, and Samsung will give you the option to go to the gesture mode. Now just by doing this, you won't have these keys anymore on the screen, and the way you operate the phone is going to be different. All you have to do to go to the recent, go from the line that you see in the bottom and hold and swap. They will take you to the recent. Now if you go anywhere you want to go to the home screen, just quick swap from this line to the top and they will take you back. Now if you went to certain application and you want to go one step back, for instance, you have to go from the edge of the screen and swap, and that should take you back. So either you prefer the regular Android keys or the new navigation bar system with gestures, that will be up to you in the Galaxy A23. Number 4. Do you know that your Galaxy A23 has an edge screen and you can get a shortcut for all the apps and games without going to the menu, or search if you have so many applications will take so much time. Let me show you how you enable the edge screen on the Galaxy A23. Go to the settings, go to the display, and scroll down till you see edge panel. Now it's on. All you have to do, swap right there from the top, and you should get this menu with so many shortcuts for the application, and you have the ability to customize it the way you like. You can just put the main applications or games that you normally play, and you will have easy access to it. Number 5. You may know, you may not, that the microphone is enabled by default in your Galaxy A23, and you have the option to switch the microphone off without interrupting if you make a phone calls or when you use it whenever you want to. As you know, the company make the microphone accessible to listen to you to have better advertisement campaigns. Let me show you now how you disable the microphone from the phone so that way nobody can listen to your conversation. Go to the settings and then you just need to go to privacy, and you will see a microphone access. Disable. Now, they will tell you that you should be able to use the microphone when you make phone calls. That shouldn't affect the experience of using the phone, but it will switch off the microphone where YouTube, Facebook doesn't listen to you. For people who care about more privacy, I believe this is a great tip for them. Number 6, pin window or pin screen. Great feature for parents. They have kids and they want to give the phone to their kids and they don't want the kids to go to use different applications on the phone. So you will be limited only for one application. Great feature for parents for sure. How you enable this service? Go to the settings and then go to biometrics and security. And then you go to other security settings and enable the pin window. Now, for instance, most of the kids normally play with YouTube the most. So let's go to YouTube application and open the app and then press on the recent key here. Go back to YouTube and just tap on the icon right there. And you have to choose pin this application. Now, this application is already pinned, and if the kid's trying to go out, go to the main screen, they won't be able to. Even if they're gonna try to shut the phone off, it won't let them do that because the phone has password. Now, as a parent, if you want to just leave this feature, all you have to do, press hold on recent and back key together. The phone automatically will go to the lock screen, and that way they're not going to be able to access other applications or use your phone. Number 7, this is important to keep your phone with good performance, especially for the hardware. As we know, the Galaxy A23 has only 4 GB of RAM, and it doesn't help you much if you open multi-apps on the background. But let me show you how you clean your RAM so that way your phone will maintain great performance. What you need to do, go to the settings, and then you go to the battery and device care. And you will see battery, you can optimize, and you can see storage that you can kill all the cache on the phone, and a RAM, which is important. Go do the check right there, and it's going to tell you we have 1.1 occupied by the RAM. So if you want to clean, make the phone run faster, all I have to do is clean the RAM, reuse my phone, and you're going to see a huge difference. Number 8, quick camera launch. Now with the Galaxy A23, even if you have the screen locked right there, all I have to do to take a quick shots, double click on the power key and the camera will open and you will snap the picture so quickly. Number 9, taking screenshot in the Galaxy A23. And that would be so simple. All you have to do, go where you want to take the screenshot and then click the volume down and power key at the same time. And it's done. That was easy, right? Number 10. People delete pictures by accidents. But this is going to be the end. Not with the Galaxy A23, because you can go to the gallery and retrieve those deleted pictures. And let me show you how you do it. Now, for instance, we're going to delete this picture right there. Let's say I did it by accident. And move to trash. Now, this picture has been disappeared from my phone. Now, for 1 week, you have the ability to go retrieve these pictures. If you just go to the 3 lines right there on the bottom, go to a trash, and press and hold, select the deleted pictures, and hit restore, and these pictures go back in business again. So if you ever by accident delete pictures, this is what you need to do if you own the Galaxy A23. Bonus tip. I want to show you how to remove the Google Discover page that stay permanently on your home screen. A lot of people sometimes trying to search something by accident go to the Google home screen here, which is very annoying sometimes. Let me show you how you disable this from your phone. All you have to do, go to the settings and then try to go to the home screen here, and you will see something called Add Media Page to Home Screen Google Discover. All you have to do, disable. Let's go back and see if it's still available or not. Yes, it has been removed. You can put it back if you want. I mean, of course, Samsung Galaxy A23 offer more tips and tricks, but these were my favorite picks from the Galaxy A23. Let me know what you think about these features in the comment below. Did you know about them, or you didn't know before watching this video, let me know in a comment below. Encourage me, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, we'll talk to you in the next video.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, gotta